Good morning, everyone. Welcome to weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In this analysis video, we are going to review Bank Nifty and Nifty index for the week of 15th September to 29th September. Like we discussed yesterday, we are expecting Bank Nifty to move towards a low on 27th of September. So let me mark that on the chart. 27th. So we are expecting a turn on 27th of September. We know that the current time cycle is effect from this date, and it is expected to go on till 26th of September, 27th of September. However, we have a cautious approach in between, because after 3 days of move, there was a pullback expected. We did see a pullback, and the price has closed towards low of the day. What is important for Monday is that if the price trades below this level, that is 44,550, so let's mark it down here, 44,550. Oh, sorry, 44,550. So if the price Bank Nifty trades below 44,550, then we can see new targets coming in. I would be very cautious here now, because we have multiple supports on the way down. So it's very likely that Bank Nifty might go slowly downwards and then stop at this point. Ultimately, our second target was 43,600. So Bank Nifty might move till 43,600 and it can stop there. Along with this, I wanted to show you something else which I did not cover yesterday. There is a smaller cycle of Bank Nifty which is in effect. There are 2 points. One was on 4th of September and the other one was around 10th of August. So if you see here, this particular time cycle gives a 3 days move towards down. On 10th August we got 3-day down move. On 4th August we have got 3-day down move. If we go back in the chart, oh, I'm so sorry, it got removed from here, but that's okay, I remember the dates. So there was, we're still in 23. So this is typically a cycle which happens between September to August, September time frame to November, December time frame. So last year this cycle had repeated in the November time frame. Yeah, this was the point, 16th of November, that cycle had repeated. So you can see that price took a resistance here and it came down for 3 days. Then again there was another move in August. This was in November. Then in August we had a 3-day move. Let me see where that is. Not here. August, not this one. Was it 25th? Yeah, this was the one. So 25th of July it had repeated. So so you can take these dates as a reference: 25th July, then 16th of November, 10th of August, 4th of September. You can do research and find out what time cycle it is. I don't want to hide it, but at the same time I don't want to give it out easily as well. You have these dates, you can do your research and find out what time cycles are working on these dates. If you have any questions, you can leave comments below. We will be happy to respond. Alright, so that's about Bank Nifty analysis. So we have passed our first anticipated target level, that was 43,950 about levels. We are at an intermediate level, from where we have one level at 44,200. Then we have another level in between at 43,850. So it's not an easy ride for Bank Nifty to go down straight. It might take support at multiple levels. So that's where we need to be cautious in our approach on how we are going to track this index and basically track our forecast. Alright, so again, a word of caution, this is not a trade advice. Any investment decisions, you should consult your investment advisor. Let's move on. I have Nifty mapped out here, and I had mapped out some levels on Nifty. So here is what happened. I had recorded a video of about 20 minutes, and then when I was checking that again, I saw that audio was missing in that. Hence I'm creating this video again, so please don't mind. There might be certain things which is already there, which I was trying to do before in last video. So on Nifty, let's see, this is our 45-degree angle. We have taken this price movement 360 points in 6 days, and that's roughly 60 points per trading day kind of thing. So the 45-degree angle moves here. You see here a price resistance exactly at the 45-degree angle, then a fast movement. We know that this is the point where price time square has happened, because 2200 to 19,700, roughly 500 points move from this price time square. So again, on Nifty, it is trading well below the 45-degree angle. However, since it is very close to a recent breakout zone, high probability that Nifty can take support here, and then I'm personally expecting that Nifty can behave like this. It can go up till here and then come down from here. It needs to be watched. This is not something that is 100%, but this is an anticipation. So let me get rid of this. Okay. Alright, so Nifty has two levels. One is 19,650 and then the second one is 19,585. This is a zone where we can expect a high heavy buying or support from buyers. If Nifty breaks down below these two levels, then we can be sure that Nifty is heading towards 19,200. So even if we take a position around 19,550, we are looking at a 200 to 300 points target very easily. But this is a this has to be taken with caution, and my expectation of 19,200 will be only when daily closing happens below 19,585. I wouldn't be doing anything until that time. There is another thing about Nifty. So if you look at this chart, Nifty is kind of forming a M pattern. Now if Nifty comes to this level 19,200, it is expected to take support around 19,200. But for whatever reason, if Nifty is not able to hold this level and it gives a daily closing below 19,200, please note, until here it has never given a daily closing below 19,200. It has always touched the low and come back above that to close above 19,200. So this can be a huge distribution area in Nifty for a long-term downtrend. Again, it is an anticipation, nothing 100%. We have to wait and watch. But one thing I'm sure of is, if Nifty closes below this level, then we are going to see at least this kind of move. So I will expect 18,000 levels in Nifty very soon if the closing is below 19,200. Ideally, the base of the move should be the level, but that is very far off, and it needs a really very bad news to go here. So my anticipation right now is only 19,200. If the daily closing happens below 19,200, then we are heading towards 18,100 levels. If 18,100 level is taken out, then probably there is one more support in between 17,500 and then absolute support around the March low of 16,900. So let's see how this index behaves. This is our anticipation. We will revisit our analysis again on Monday. We will do a follow-up of the analysis on Monday, Tuesday, and during the weekdays. So another thing, that let's see how the cycles are showing up on this. Let me okay. So Nifty is showing a high probability of reversal from here, or maybe 1 or 2 days down move and then reverse, because in this 4 days move there has been no reversal, so to say, or profit booking, so to say. And if this selling continues, then it's going to be very dangerous. So let's see how things span out. We will expect these three levels first, and further below 19,200 we will see how to plan our trades after that. Until then, that's all from us. Have a great weekend and a profitable upcoming week. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. That helps us to keep us motivated, and we can come back to you with more informative videos. Thank you, take care, and please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.